So what are the setups? So I'll straight away jump and then show you. Okay. So go to the home page and go to setup and maintenance. And under project financial management, go down, go to project performance reporting and click on all tasks. And in the last, you have manage program options. Okay. Click on this. Not much setups are there. Okay. So one is the calendar, program calendar. So these are the options. So generally this program calendar is same as your project calendar. So if both are monthly, then generally they match, but they can be different also. So in case they are different, this mapping method will map your program calendar to your project calendar. Okay. And there are two ways to map: period start date and period end date. Okay. So based on your period start date or end date, say your project calendar is say January, your program calendar may be February. Okay. But generally 99.9% this will coincide with your project calendar. Okay. Then physical percent complete method. You can choose at the program level the method to calculate the progress. If it is physical percent complete, then it is based on the cost or it is based on the effort. Similarly, earned value source, whether it is a project budget or it is a financial project plan. Okay. Then somebody was asking about the currency, right? So see, 5 currencies are possible. So I think, let me see. Maximum of 5 currencies you can add for your programs currently. Okay. And when you run the update program performance data to summarize the totals, then what it will do is it will convert the values from your project currency to each of these 5 program currencies using conversion rate and type. So the conversion rate and type is defined here, right? Corporate and conversion date. Okay. And based on these currencies, you can add one more and one primary currency, which is default display. Your project currency, if it is different, those project amounts in that currency will be automatically converted by the system to USD and displayed on your program pages. Okay. So this way it happens. So currently 5 currencies are supported maximum for the convergence. So this is one setup. Okay. Same is mentioned here. And next is somebody was asking, right? That how do you decide like which performance measure will be available to the program, right? I was choosing from the column, right? So around 145 measures are enabled for programs by default by Oracle itself. You can enable or disable according to your requirement. Okay, and 15 out of them are set to display in the default views, whatever I was showing you previously. But which setup governs this, I will show you. So if you see this setup, manage performance measures, if I click on this, I'll give you one example. And this performance measure, I choose the category as say earned value, just as an example, and do a search. If I click on see anything like, for example, earned value. So if I click on this, you see this, right? Program enabled for use and default display. So this is the setup which enables you to use this measure in the programs pages. Because this is enabled, you can see the earned value measure when you do the program performance analysis. If you disable this, it will not show there. Okay. So some predefined default display measures are these. Then conversion rate, you all know, I don't think I need to go there and show you. There is a manage conversion rates a GL setup wherein you define the currency conversion rate from USD to Euro, etc. I think that is, you know already. But I want to just show you how to run this update program performance data. It is same like update project performance data. Go to navigator and go to tools and scheduled processes and then schedule a new process. Update program. Update program performance data. Click on OK. Click on OK. What it does, refreshes the program analysis data by collecting and summarizing the latest performance details for projects assigned to the program, right? So you can give the program number or program manager and run it. Same way as you do for update project performance data, right? So you have another program. I don't think this person will be able to access that, but let me see if he has that access. No, he doesn't have that access because he is a program manager. If you are project manager, you can access the update project performance data. Right? So this is the currency rates manager. This is the process update program performance data. Another setup, like when I was creating that program in front of you, in the additional information section, you saw some fields, right? For example, you saw priority, line of business, region, right? Assessment, you saw strategy, status, right? So all these are nothing but list of values which are maintained as lookups. Okay, so I just want to show you that they are just used to capture additional information related to a program from the reporting perspective. So you know this is a standard thing. So manage standard lookups. Go here and manage standard lookup. In this standard lookup, in the meaning you type project program and search and you will get all the values. So all these lookups are there. Status, assignment, access type, assessment, line of business. For example, priority, right? So low, medium, high. You can add your own additional lookups also. Okay. So this is another setup. Then comes reporting, how we can create reports. So what Oracle has given is a dedicated subject area in Oracle Transactional Business Intelligence Reporting dedicated to the program performance reporting. Okay, so both program managers and project executives can view the analysis by creating using the OTBI projects program performance reporting real-time subject area. We all know OTBI is a flexible and easy to use tool to design dashboards, trend analysis, and graphs. From the access perspective, who can access that OTBI? Program managers can view that OTBI analysis for the programs they own, or they are invited to as a contributor, or for all programs which are public in nature. We have no restrictions on the access. Project executives or stakeholders, right, can view the OTBI analysis for programs they are invited to as a stakeholders or for any program which has public access, like no restriction. So for that, what we have to do is we have to go to the reports and analytics. You all know, right? This tools and reports analytics and browse catalog. create analysis. So you go here and type program, and you see this one, right? Projects program performance reporting real time. Analyze real time information for programs and program performance. Measure program performance using various reporting metrics. So click here. Okay. So all these measures are available. So you can drag and drop and create your own reports. Program details, program hierarchy, program performance details, program performance measures. So they're bucketed like commitment measures, earned value measures, margin measure. If you click margin measure, then so many are available. So like that, you can create your own reports and analysis and dashboards using this subject area. Just given a screenshot of this.